Denon AVR S750H home theater system. I'll show you what's going on. Okay, so you got your Denon system. It's been working good for a month, and then all of a sudden your sound doesn't work anymore coming from the Denon. Even when you go into setup mode on the Denon and test the speakers, there's no sound. And what happens is you need to get a phono jack, one of the big ones like this, or like a headphones with one of these jacks, and you plug it into the phono jack here in the front, and then pull it out, and you'll hear a click. Now that doesn't mean that the TV is you're gonna be hearing sound out of the speakers still. You still may have to remove the HDMI ARC cable from either the TV or the Denon, and then it'll start working again. The problem is, who wants to keep going behind their system and pulling that cable out and plugging it back in? The TV is really hard to get to, and messing around with those HDMI cables, I've broken one in the past, the connector. So I would be very careful with these Denon systems and perhaps others. What happens is when you plug that in, this phono jack, it makes it sound like a relay. Here, I'll see if you can pick it up. Hear it? And then you unplug it, and it turns it back on to the non-headphone jack. For some reason, it gets stuck in that mode where the headphone is active. And so far, this has been what the internet said to do, and you plug it in, but sometimes you still got to unplug the HDMI ARC cable. And we're not going to be doing that because I don't like getting behind the TV all the time like that. So if you have a Denon with no sound, you'll see the video and stuff playing through it, but there's no sound. That could be your problem. The worst thing about this thing is this Denon systems, not this model, but Denon in particular, has had problems with this phono jack in the past, since at least 2009, and they still have problems with it today. So I don't know what kind of quality they got, but it isn't looking too good.